Now I am going to join my yarns. Two yarn, you know that this much. I just have this much only. So just need to join my yarn. And here you go. Cross this and this much. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sometimes, and normally I just do this up to 12 to 15, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now this goes here, and so also you really just do this, pull it up to here. Now you do this, pull it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and let's do this up to 15 only. Now you really just pull this, needle goes out, pull this, needle goes out, and you really pull it from both sides of this, both pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it until it this to this. Hello everyone, welcome. If you like this video, please comment below, and if this is your first time, please subscribe. Thank you.